Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be providing you the solution of our Google Arcade challenge, Better Together Part 2, third lab, that is online data migration to Cloud Spanner using Striim. Okay, now before starting the solution, I want to inform you that I already uploaded the solution of the previous lab on my YouTube channel. You can check that each and every lab solution video will be in the description box. आप जाके check कर सकते हैं और make sure आप ये सारी lab जल्द से जल्द complete कर लें. Okay, so without wasting time, start this lab. Open it, wait for the page to get loaded. As you can see, there are total 5 tasks that we need to perform. So simply click on the Start Lab button and wait for the credentials to be loaded up. Simply right click on Open Google Console and open it in private window or in incognito mode. Otherwise, you will face certain issue. That's why it's important. Okay. The email ID will be automatically pasted up. So simply click on Next button. Email ID अपने आप paste होके आती है. हमें कुछ नहीं करना है. Next button पे click करना है. For the password, come back to the lab. Copy the password. Come back to here. Paste it and click on Next button. Okay. Now a welcome message will arise. Simply click on I understand button and we get logged into our Google Cloud Console. Okay. If you watches my previous videos, you must be familiar with these steps. हम ये सारे steps Google Cloud Console में login करने के लिए पहले भी कई बार कर चुके हैं. Okay. तो ये आपके लिए नया नहीं होना चाहिए. A pop-up will arise for terms and conditions. So simply accept that. Accept it. Click on agree and continue. First of all, we need to activate our Google Cloud Shell. So click on this top right icon, activate Cloud Shell. Wait for the connection to be stabilized. While it's stabilizing, come back to here. First of all, click on continue button. Then come back to the left. Scroll down, keep scrolling to the task one. Keep scrolling, skip this. You can skip this also. Keep scrolling. Yes. And the task one, you will see a direct link like this. Simply right click on this and open it in private window or in incognito mode. Okay. Wait for this to get connected. Once the page get loaded, you will see something like this. We need to launch the Striim. So launch it. Okay. Wait for it to get launched. We need to make certain changes. So come back to the lab, scroll down. Make sure that your zone is समथिंग एल्स और मे बी सेम. आपको बस एक बात का ध्यान रखना है कि आपका जोन क्या है. आपका जोन चेंज हो सकता है. मे बी योर जोन इज डिफरेंट. सो मेक श्योर you selected the right zone. In my case, it's US East 1D. So I will come back to here, wait for this page to get loaded. And in the zone type, we need to change the zone, which is in my case, it's US East 1D. Okay, so I need to select the US East 1D. Come back to here again, click on the zone button and choose the US East 1D. Okay, in your case it might be different. आपके केस में अलग हो सकता है, तो आपको अपना zone select करना है. Now scroll down, keep scrolling, click on yes, I authorize Google and click on I accept button. Now we need to click on the deploy. Let me show you. Click on the deploy button. Okay, wait for this to get deployed. Okay, it started to deploy. यहाँ कुछ time लेगा आपको. It will take a little bit time, about 2 to 3 minutes. After that you will get a SSH button here. आपका SSH button activate हो जाएगा, तब हम आगे बढ़ेंगे. Okay, in that meantime, in that time we need to perform other steps. What we need to do, I will provide you a notepad, this file in the description box. You can download this file. आपको ये अपने notepad में copy करना है code. You need to paste the code in your notepad. This course credit goes to qwiklabs YouTube channel, and he share this easy code which make this lab very shorter. आपको इस code के मदद से आप easily lab complete कर सकते हैं. So a big thanks to the qwiklabs YouTube channel. Okay, so you can check his YouTube channel for sure. Now first of all, copy this 5 commands. We need to copy this once. Okay, now come back to the shell, this one. Okay, make sure your shell get connected. Click on got it button. As you can see, my project ID is not loaded. हमारी project ID setted नहीं है. Once again, project ID कैसे पता चलेगा set है या नहीं? So you will get a yellow colored project ID, but in my case it's not showing here. It means my project is not set. So how you can set it? Simply type g cloud config set project space. Now we need the project ID. So the project ID is this one. Copy it. ये आपको तभी करना है जब आपकी project ID set ना हो. Okay. Now paste the project ID and hit enter button. Click on authorize button. If your project ID is already set, then you will already see an interface like this. You will get a yellow code ID. तो आपको ये कोड रन कराने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. नाउ वंस अगेन we need to run these commands, so copy it, these 5 command, copy it, paste it here एंड हिट एंटर बटन. वंस अगेन ये कमांड जो है आपको सारे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में एक फाइल मिल जाएगी, उसमें ये सारे कमांड होंगे, आपको नोट पैड में ओपन करके रन कराना है. लेट दिस कमांड बी रन इन द बैकग्राउंड. कम बैक टू हियर to the Striim marketplace. Now you can see our SSH shell button is now activated. हमारा SSH shell button जो activate हो चुका है. Simply click on this and we get connected to our terminal. Now this terminal take around 2 to 4 minutes to get connected. So wait for this connection to stabilize. Okay. It's connecting the connection with the SSH terminal. So wait for it. Now as you can see, our terminal is now connected. So what we need to do, open the notepad file once again. Now copy these 4 or 5 codes, copy it very carefully. हमें ये सारे कोड एक साथ कॉपी करने हैं. कम बैक टू द टर्मिनल, पेस्ट इट इन द टर्मिनल and it will automatically start it to be run. Okay, now hit enter button once again. Let me show you. Your code will start run automatically once you paste the code, or if it doesn't start automatically, then press enter. क्या होता है, कई बार हम जब कोड कॉपी करते हैं तो वो अपने आप स्टार्ट होता है रन करना. अगर नहीं हो तो आपको एंटर बटन प्रेस करना है. दैट्स इट. नाउ वेट फॉर दिस कमांड टू गेट रन. आफ्टर दैट आई विल मीट यू इन द वीडियो शॉर्टली. So wait for this command to run. After a while, you will started to see something like this: bash $4.2, bash $4.2, bash for $2.2. Once when you receive message like this, simply minimize the terminal, come back to the dashboard and check that your code is run or successfully or not. जो हमने पहले कोड रन कराए थे, ये 5 कमांड्स जो हमने रन कराए थे वो रन हो चुके हैं हमारे. These commands are run successfully. Now come back to the main lab, scroll down, keep scrolling, click on check my progress and you will get a green tick in each and every check my progress. You can see assessment is completed. Check the task number 2, you will get a green tick in here. Setting up connector J. Wait for this to get green tick. Our assessment is also completed in the task 2. Now check for the task 3, you will get a green tick here also. Wait for it to get a green tick. You can see our assessment is completed, and that's it. We are done with this lab. Once again, a big thanks to qwiklabs YouTube channel. They provided an amazing code. Now simply click on end lab button, click on submit button. Make sure you click on the each and every check my progress. Give the star rating that you want to give. Click on submit button. Come back to the main page. Wait for the page to get loaded. Simply scroll down, open the lab, and you will see a green tick beside our lab. It means we successfully completed our lab. So that's it for this video. This is the solution of this lab. So if you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box or in the Telegram group. Okay, so that's it for this video. Every important link will be in the description box. Thank you very much. Goodbye.